Good afternoon, and welcome to what is now the fifth edition of Bannusna, uh, which is an event put together by Council for Democratic Civic Engagement. And हाम्रो यो भन्नुहोस् series को main idea is कि अब municipal elections आउनु आँटेको छ, and that opens the space to talk to different people who live or work in Gangtok. You don't have to be living here. We've spoken to some old Gangtokians, we've spoken to some youth, and gotten an idea ki how are they looking at the municipal elections. Because let's accept it, because of the partyless municipal elections, everyone is excited ki maybe they'll get a bigger variety of candidates who will talk about interesting things, who might even be young and can understand what the young want. So series ma, today with us we have a session on artists. And what is what I've noticed about Gangtok, and that has been a constant complaint सबै साथीहरूको बिचमा पनि, is that artists and तिनीहरूको कला जुन चाहिँ हुन्छ, they give a place its uniqueness, what we call character. एउटा ठाउँको एउटा unique character. If you look at the old cities of Europe, even Jaipur where you've worked, they give this place a uniqueness, a vibrancy, which I don't know, we might agree or disagree. We don't know where that is with Gangtok. Does Gangtok have a unique art expression? Does any tourist come to Gangtok and say, oh, this place is very good for the creative people? So we want to get into that. त्यो हुनु सकेको छ कि छैन, अन्त कसरी चाहिँ, I mean, is it even something that is good? And how can we reach that end? And since all of you are artists, I think you'll agree that that environment is required. Because when we talk about artistic character, we're also talking about just like governance and civic engagement. मान्छेहरूको कति engagement छ तिनीहरूको cityसँग. They tell you an idea of how vibrant the democracy is, how involved the people are. Just like that, I think the presence of artists, recognizing them, also gives the city a unique nature. So today we have three people with us who I'm sure will bring in a lot of insight into these ideas. With us today is Mandira Chetri. She's a filmmaker who has been Mark Productions is a company. She's also associated with Film Association Cooperative, right, or some to that extent, yes, which is trying to kind of bring filmmakers together. We've not had such an organization so far, so your insights will be very interesting to have in this. We have with us Amit Rai, who is the second half of a two-member band called A2, who recently had a very successful, let's not call it successful because like the audience was there, but a very well-received, I think that's more important for an artist, a well-received event. They were the opening act for something that happened at Thundel over the weekend. And suddenly everyone is talking about them and their music. So it'll be interesting. And he has only recently returned to Gangtok after having worked outside for a while. So it'll be very interesting to have his insights. And we have with us Rinchen Dorji from OMAS. He's the General Secretary of OMAS, has been in the event management space for about 8 years now. So he knows what the artists require and what they lack. And I think together we'll have hopefully a very interesting conversation. So starting right from the beginning, how welcoming or understanding is Gangtok of artists as performing of the performing arts? I think we could start with Rinchen. Rinchen here about, since he has some experience in organizing events and things like that, and venues, finding venues and opportunities. So if you could give us a sense of, as a society, we're not even talking the administration and government here, but as a society, Gangtok कतिको वेलकमिङ छ आर्टिस्टहरूको लागि?
Honestly, गान्तोकमा अलिकति प्रब्लम छ बिकज आर्टिस्टलाई रेस्पोन्स राम्रो पाउँदैन किनभने आई बिन डुइङ इभेन्ट्स फ्रम पास्ट एज यु सेड 8 years 9 yearsको एक्सपिरियन्स हो मेरोमा लिटरली you have to drag people out of the house. About slowly things are changing though. I do see some positive sides like recently, but यस्तो हाम्रो इभेन्ट म्यानेजर्सहरूले पनि इभेन्ट गरिरहनुपर्छ so that you encourage more people to come out and buy the tickets. Things has to improve. It is like very difficult to get people for any kind of event, to be honest. अब यो रिसेन्टली के मार्केटहरू भन्ने गरेको छ इभेन्टहरू, फार्मर्स मार्केट, दोज थिङ्स आर भेरी न्यू आइडियाज एन्ड देन नाउ because of all those your farmers market, I've seen people coming out. So this is a good thing to see. But 2 वर्ष अगाडिसम्म 1.5 वर्ष अगाडिसम्म त मैले इभेन्ट गरिरहेको त्यसमा त आई डोन्ट सी आई डिन्ट गेट अ गुड रेस्पोन्स बिकज आई स्ट्रगल अ लट मैले आर्टिस्टहरू केरलाबाट लिएर आउँथेँ आई टु गेट आर्टिस्ट फ्रम लाइक बेङ्गलोर फ्रम लाइक मेजर सिटिजबाट सो कति लस परेको छ मलाई मात्रै थाहा छ एउटा इभेन्ट अलिक सक्सेसफुल भएको थियो किनभने त्यसको फ्यान बेस आर्टिस्टको लाइक फलोवर्स बेसी थियो यहाँनिर स्पेसली केटीहरू अन्त त्यसबाट प्रफिट त आई डिन्ट मेक बट मैले स्पोन्सर्स अलिक पाएको थियो त्यसले गर्दा आई कुड एटलिस्ट ब्रेक इभनलाई अलिकति माथि पुग्न सक्यो
Because yeah, I mean, because what you say is very interesting. Like जब म भन्छु नि like एउटा सिटीको response के छ आर्टिस्टहरूको प्रति is like artists need patrons because the artist has his skill, his talent, and it's not a business, right? He needs patrons. I mean, traditionally through history, I mean, Tansen also, irrespective of how good a singer he was, he still needed Akbar, right? Or we look at any art, painting, music, you need a patron. So here we could probably come to Amit, hey? What has your I mean, you, from what I understand, तपाईँ 4 साल जस्तो जयपुरमा you're a singer, you're a vocalist. I don't know, singer is the wrong word to use for vocalists nowadays. I don't know, but yeah, forgive me for that. But you're a vocalist, so you understand music. I mean, you are a musician at heart. Why did you go to? First, tell me why you went to Jaipur. Like, why could Gangtok not support you? And फिर COVID ले गर्दा when many of us had to come back to Sikkim, then you came back to Sikkim. And what has the response been? Do you think Gangtok embraces artists? Embraces
होइन फर्स्टमा
artists?
भन्नुपर्दा लाइक यहाँनिर अलिकति साह्रो परिरहेको थियो यहाँनिर सर्भाइभ गर्नु लाइक म्युजिकली चाहिँ गर्नु चाहिँ साह्रो नै परिरहेको थियो
Which is
एन्ड
we're talking Jaipur जानुभन्दा
जानु
अगाडि?
अगाडिको एन्ड साह्रो परिरहेको थियो सो लाइक मैले सोचेँ कि लाइक जयपुर गएर लाइक त्यहाँनिर पढ्छु पनि सायद म्युजिकमा पनि अरू के हुन्छ होला भन्ने भयो सो लाइक म त्यहाँनिर गएँ अन्त त्यहाँनिर इन्ट्रेस्टिङ कुरा चाहिँ के भयो भने त्यहाँनिर एउटा अर्गनाइजेसन थियो लाइक नन प्रफिट अर्गनाइजेसन एन्ड त्यो चाहिँ होम फर आर्टिस्ट भन्ने थियो अन्त त्यहाँनिर ग्रेजुअली साथीहरू यताउता भेट्दा भेट्दा त्यहाँनिर मैले कन्ट्याक्ट्सहरू भयो त्यहाँदेखि गएँ त्यहाँ चाहिँ के थियो भने सबै आर्टिस्टहरू क्या आएर बस्दा हुने दे क्यान सेयर देयर अब के कुराहरू फोटोग्राफर्स जस्तै पेन्टर्सहरू कति भयो अब लाइभ सेसन्सहरू हुन्थ्यो सानो सानो घरभित्रै रुमभित्रै हौ यस्तोहरू हुन्थ्यो क्या अन्त बिस्तारै बिस्तारै त्यो हुँदा हुँदा हुँदै त्यहाँको त्यो जुन चाहिँ मेन अर्गनाइजरले चाहिँ भने कि लाइक तिमी लाइक पबहरूतिर गीत गाउनु सक्छ यस्तो यस्तो भन्नु थाल्यो सो लाइक उसले नै बिस्तारै खोजिदियो इभेन्टहरू सानो सानो गर्दै त्यहाँदेखि त्यतिकै गर्दै गर्दै बादमा चाहिँ एउटा म्यानेजर भेटेँ मैले लाइक उसले कुराहरू सुनेछ कि लाइक राम्रो हुँदैछ भनेर त्यहाँदेखि उसको सँगै काम गर्न थालेँ
So what you're saying is Jaipur मा चाहिँ एउटा support like
सपोर्ट
you
थियो
were
यस
from
यस
outside.
यस यस सपोर्ट थियो
You
मेन
landed
चाहिँ
in Jaipur. There's a support system in place,
हजुर
and they recognize your talent because
हजुर
सबै peers छ तिनीहरूलाई
हजुर
चिन्छ अब who's a good vocalist. Gangtok, does it have something like that?
अहिले चाहिँ अब म आएको लाइक कति कोभिडले गर्दा भर्खर फर्केको लाइक फर्स्ट वाज लाइक अलिक साह्रै पऱ्यो कि लाइक कतिवटा कुराहरू अब पबहरूमा जाँदा पनि सोजहरूको लागि पनि अब एकदमै साह्रो पर्ने नदिने क्या हुन्छ नि उनीहरूकोमा प्रब्लमै थियो अब सबैजनालाई त्यस्तै भएर थियो सो लाइक वी थट अफ डुइङ बस्किङ हुन्छ नि बस्किङमा गर्ने
Yeah, I know. We have to get to your busking episode. Definitely, right? I mean, that's something that you'll get a whole session to describe. But yeah, what you're saying is very interesting. This support system, like now we have OMAS, which is an organization for musicians and artists of Sikkim, and we've got your film cooperative, which is going to bring together filmmakers, or is it filmmakers or it's like film artists? Everyone, right? Sikkim had not had that. I think OMAS was one of the first, let's say, active organization that represented artists, the creative performers. So what you say is so brilliant. I mean, why do you think we don't have something like
होइन
that in
त्यति
Sikkim?
बेलाको टाइममा चाहिँ अब मैले ओमास चाहिँ त्यति उयो भएको थिएन मलाई क्या लाइक लाइक चिनेको थिएन भनौँ न अलि हुनु चाहिँ याद थियो तर त्यति उयो चाहिँ भएको थिएन त्यसले गर्दा पनि होला कि लाइक तर अब त्यही प्रब्लम्सहरू चाहिँ थियो
Yeah, no, I get that because what we're talking about is our like
लाइक तर अब त्यही प्रब्लम्सहरू चाहिँ थियो
yeah, no, I get that because what we're talking about is अब लाइक जयपुरमा जाँदाखेरि पनि त जयपुर त चिन्दैन थियो. What we are saying is, won't it be wonderful if this environment was created where an artist comes and he knows, okay, this is the place I can go, I'll get a cheap room, I'll get someone who'll buy me lunch or dinner, and I'll get to meet other artists and ask them ki opportunities kahan cha. I know. Do we have such a culture? If we can move on to Mandira now. Yeah? Not at present. I mean, and going to pubs and bars is like, you can only go as, I mean, most artists can only go as performers. They can't go as customers there, right? It's so expensive.
But we have that kind of idea in OMAS. We have a proposal, and we have already put on a proposal to the government. So we are waiting for the response.
Yeah.
So basically, we do have that kind of like, we have thought about it.
Yeah, I mean, we are already jumping into the third or fourth question that I had in my mind. But something like, you have a youth hostel, working women's hostel, and youth hostels at hostels or whatever, they're all over. It'll be so wonderful if we could have an artist's space, right? You can go there, just hang around or find gigs. So if we can move on to Mandira. So tell us about, what do you think? Is Gangtok welcoming of creative expression from your experience?
So for me,
I mean, Nepali
हजुर हजुर yes okay so म आएको चाहिँ 10 वर्ष भएको छ होइन like after I came back I was working in Bangalore पहिला त्यहाँ काम गर्दै थिएँ so I wanted to do something in films so म फर्केर आएको थिएँ अनि त्यति बेला चाहिँ obviously the scene was not good है त्यति बेला अब बाहिर के हुँदै थियो they had no idea they were still shooting with handycam and things like that so यहाँ आएर अब निकै टाइम भयो things have changed अहिले लास्ट इयर हामीले जुन चाहिँ ग्लोबल सिनेमा फेस्टिभल गर्यो है त्यसमा हामीले कलेक्टिभली हेर्दा चाहिँ अराउन्ड 45 registered production houses रहेछ सिक्किममा that's quite a lot of them हजुर
How many actors? I mean, just to push
no
it.
I don't know about that 45 registered भने बित्तिकै अब they have licenses and they're doing अब भनौँ न सो त्यो थियो है अन्त अहिले चाहिँ के भइरहेछ भने मी एज अ फिल्म मेकर है अहिले चाहिँ निकै फर मी पर्सनली अब आई डोन्ट नो अबाउट अदर्स बट राम्रो हुँदैछ इट्स लाइक ग्रोइङ स्लोली एज कसरी थालेको थियो नट जस्ट इन सिक्किम बाहिरबाट पनि प्रोजेक्ट्सहरू आउँदैछ एन्ड इट्स गुड तर अब आई फेल द्याट इट वाज टाइम फर मी टु अब गिभ ब्याक भनौँ न सो अहिले चाहिँ फिलहाल चाहिँ अब जस्तो अब ओमास हुनुहुन्छ यहाँनिर तर हामीले चाहिँ के गरिरहेछ भन्दाखेरि यहाँको ट्यालेन्टेड यङ्स्टर्सहरूलाई लिएर है अब एउटा इन हाउस प्रमोसन जस्तो गरिदिँदैछ क्या वी जस्ट स्टार्टेड अन्त फर म्युजिसियन्स अल्सो बिकज दिस क्वेसन केम अबाउट म्युजिसियन्सहरूको लागि चाहिँ हाम्रो नरिश दा हुनुहुन्छ नि नरिश दा फ्रम ग्यान्टोक ग्रुप सो उहाँ हामी कुरा गरेर चाहिँ वी आर प्लानिङ टु कम अप विथ अ प्लेटफर्म जस्तो क्या जहाँनिर चाहिँ रेकर्ड गरिदिने उहाँलाई प्रमोट गरिदिने भिडियो पार्ट म आई विल टेक केयर अफ है सो रेकर्डिङहरू उहाँले गरिदिनु हुने सो द्याट हामीले सिक्किमको आर्टिस्टहरूलाई त्यसरी प्रमोट गर्नु सकिन्छ सो दिस इज समथिङ हामीले कुरा गर्दैछौँ so if you can start so यो चाहिँ कहाँबाट आइडिया आयो भने चाहिँ अब जस्तो कोरियाहरूमा they have this pop अब K-popहरूको त्यो हुन्छ and there is some management under which they work they professionally they do it so हामी पनि त्यस्तै गरौँ भनेको नि professionally produce गरिदिउँ because they're such talented youngsters है so we are starting with the first launching them soon actually it's a 3-member group भनौँ so launching them first त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ yeah I think things are looking up actually हजुर
If you could kind of also share with me, your families have no choice, right? Like your father will say, "Ab beti ko filmmaker banna hai, to what can I do? She'll become a filmmaker." Same for you. Although singers more difficult, right? To convince families for, and even management. These are all ideas that look very, let's say, flamboyant in a way. But in families and society, it's very difficult for people to understand or take you seriously. So if you could take me through that, like when you tell people. Like when I used to tell people that I'm a journalist, they were waiting for me to complete the sentence and say, "Ki uske baad, what will you do?" Right? Because or a writer, things like that. So if you could tell me, like when you tell people earlier, now you've been around for 8 years.
Yes.
But when you tell people that you do event management, does Gangtok get excited and say, "Oh, great, because I have got something that I need a professional help for"? Has that attitude?
Yeah, very few people. To be honest, from the very few people I got that response. Honest, Gangtokमा avenues चाहिँ छैन के त्यस्तो हामीले स्केलमा त्यो
I'm talking about that also. Does
छैन त्यस्तो छैन I can see that त्यस्तो छैन I can see
as a city
small changes in it from past 2 years though But to survive out of it is very, very difficult. So that's why I have not taken this profession seriously, to be honest. That's why I do have my registered like event management company,
Uh-huh.
but at the same time I do have my own business,
Which will earn you
like
the key.
bread and butter.
Yes.
Okay, so मेरो अर्कै business छ basically. पैसा कमाउनु चाहिँ मेरो अर्कै एउटा business छ. And then I am a part of this NGO called OMAS, you know. That is a different thing. So to be honest, survive गर्नु लागि चाहिँ event seriously अब पैसा कमाउँछु भने चाहिँ हुँदैन. It's just that I'm passionate about music, throwing like scouting good artists from outside and at least scouting good talents from inside and giving them a platform types. That's it. Nothing more
No,
than
but
that.
it really has to be like, because I'm also thinking of, yeah, the society's response. Tell me your experience, right? When you tell people, and you've been back only for 4 months, right? When you meet people and you say that I'm a vocalist, do you sense that they take you? Because a lot of other people had the same thing, right? A lot of other people we had on these discussions, they said, like a young architect, for instance, when she goes to a government department and says that she's an architect with ideas, the response is, hey, Shano Nani, ke jansa isle? Right? That condescending attitude. So what has does Gangtok say, oh, wow, like just give me an autograph in advance in case you become a star later?
होइन कति त्यस्तो रेयरली हुन्छ, कतिजनाहरू मात्रै छ क्या त्यस्तो अब भन्ने चाहिँ लाइक लाइक के हुन्छ म्युजिक गरेर के हुन्छ, अरू कामहरू गर, यसले हुँदैन, सर्भाइभ गर्नु सक्दैन, यस्तो खालको सिनहरू क्या हुन्छ क्या.
Yeah.
कति तर रेयरली हुन्छ कतिजनाले
Who will say, okay, we'll support you.
सो एकजना मैले त्यो अलिकति बस्किङको, मैले बस्किङ गर्दैछु स्ट्रिट सो, हाम्रो स्ट्रिट सो के गरेको छ त के हो यस्तो खालको क्या सिनहरू त्यो छ.
Yeah,
त्यस्तो
that attitude is still very ingrained. What's your experience been? When you meet people like and you now they know you as a filmmaker,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So
yeah.
we don't count now,
Yeah,
but
पहिला-
10 years back.
Yeah, before my parents, like they were totally against me being a filmmaker. In fact, हुन्छ नि अब काम गर्नु, job लिनु, किन काम छोडेको? I was working before, no?
Yes.
So why did you leave your job? यति साह्रो भएको थियो कि like, you know, त्यति बेला that, you know, अब it was very difficult to convince my parents and family what I wanted to do. त्यो त साह्रो नै थियो. But अहिले चाहिँ अब बिस्तारी बिस्तारी it took lot of time
Yeah.
to finally have them say that okay, let her do what she's doing. खाले चाहिँ निकै टाइम लागेकै हो.
Yeah.
हजुर. And as far as
The general response.
हजुर
to
general
you.
response होइन, I feel like आजकल चाहिँ ever since the cinema festival happened also निकै अब बाहिरको पुरा फिल्म मेकर्सहरू आउँदैछ क्या सिक्किममा सुटिङहरू गर्नु, फिल्म्स बनाउनु. सो यहाँको लोकल आर्टिस्टहरूले पनि चान्स चाहिँ पाउँदैछ. We have this group called the Film Association of Sikkim group. Every other day you get a casting call for actorsहरू पुरा आउँछ. And you know, not just in Sikkim but बाहिर पनि they're looking for a northeastern face because of the web seriesहरू खासमा चाहिँ आजकल पुरा यो OTT प्लेटफर्म्सहरूमा होइन वेब सिरिजहरूको लागि पुरा आइरहेको छ. सो त्यसमा पुरा आई थिङ्क लाइक सडनली देयर इज बिन अ सर्ज अफ डिमान्ड भनौँ न यो एक्टर्सहरूको लागि भइरहेको छ. सो फिल्म मेकर्सहरूको लागि, आर्टिस्टहरूको लागि इट्स लाइक अ गुड टाइम अहिले चाहिँ फिलहाल चाहिँ
Yeah,
इट्स
yeah.
ग्रोइङ.
That's so exciting.
हजुर.
Because what I was also getting at, we are still stuck on the first question, is when I say does Gangtok respect professionalism, it's like again giving you, I'll start off with my experiences. Like you'll have friends who'll call up, oh, you know how to write, no, please write this copy for me.
Yes, yes.
Right? It's not professional
Yes,
at
yes,
all.
yes.
So you're an event manager, like I've got to organize this big event. Gardinu. Like you're a singer, right? I'll say, I've met you now. I'll say, acha, yaar, like I need a jingle, please. Can you put one together? Or you're a filmmaker. I'll say, I need to make this ad spot. Can you just do it for me? I will not talk fees. It's like we work in a culture of favors.
Yes, yes.
What has that? Is that true what I'm saying, or is it changing?
One thing I want to point out कि in this case चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ भने filmmakers, अब filmmaker भनौँ न, आर्टिस्ट भनौँ है, it's a creative field हो है, and you cannot put a price tag on it. खासमा चाहिँ हेर्दाखेरि अब अहिलेसम्म डिपार्टमेन्टमा चाहिँ के हुँदो रहेछ भन्दाखेरि like you want someone to make a film for you, suppose चाहिँ उनीहरूले quotation call गर्छ. अब for example, I'm an artist. Every artist has its own rate according to her or his profession or time in the industry भनौँ न हैन. अन्त कसैको अब क्रिएटिभमा त क्रिएटिभ फिल्डमा त तपाईले प्राइस लगाउन सक्दैन नि खासमा चाहिँ. सो अब लोएस्ट कोटेसन भन्ने बित्तिकै अब इट्स लाइक अब कसरी चाहिँ दिने?
I know.
That becomes a major
like how
problem.
do you put a price on creativity, right?
You have to ask the artist already, so that will be a very awkward
त्यो चाहिँ
Thank you,
प्रब्लम
होला,
छ. सो
I guess.
नाउडेज चाहिँ हामीले के भनेको छ भने इफ यु लाइक माई आर्ट, इफ यु लाइक माई क्राफ्ट, यु लाइक वाट आइम डुइङ होइन, अब तपाईँले त्यसमा कोटेसन चाहिँ बोलाउनु सक्दैन होइन. द्याट्स टु बी अ डिफरेन्ट वे टु
You commission
हजुर
me
कमिसन
for
मी
at my
फर
price.
सर्टन थिङ्स. हजुर त्यसरी चाहिँ अब बिकज हु विल बिड भनौँ न, अब लोएस्ट बिड भनेको कुड बी समन हु जस्ट स्टार्टेड अफ. लाइक हाउ क्यान यु बिड, अब कसरी चाहिँ गर्ने.
And yeah, when you're talking
हजुर.
government department, they say they should have like made 3
Quotations.
films.
Yeah.
YouTube films, though, I'll make in 2 days also, which will
हजुर.
not measure up to yours. Yeah, so that is true.
That is a big problem that I
Yeah.
see.
What about
Yeah.
what about your kind of response to this? Does Gangtok respect professionalism? Like I'm a friend, I'm like if I have a bar, I'll say, "Ki, Acha, I know you just come and perform, no, like din aayega." Is that an attitude that needs to change? Ki, is everyone very professional? Ki,
Actually,
oh,
मैले यस्तो
you're an artist, this is what I can afford to pay you.
हजुर त्यस्तो मलाई त त्यस्तो अलिक फेस चाहिँ गरेको छैन, तर जयपुरमा हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ फेस गरेको मैले कतिवटा कुराहरू त्यस्तोहरू लाइक कम्ती उसमा गरिदिने अब अहिले पनि फेस गरेको छु रिसेन्टली. यस यो एउटा पबमा जाँदाखेरि हामीले लाइक ड्रम्सहरू सबै लगेर जानु, इक्विपमेन्टहरू एभ्रिथिङ. अब लाइक हामी 2जना मात्रै लाइक सामान बोकेर जानुपर्ने. अन्त त्यो लाइक अब अलिअलि पैसाहरू नमिल्दाखेरि चाहिँ लाइक अलिकति कम्तीमा 2000मा अब वी हेभ टु ब्रिङ अल द सेट्स हुन्छ नि, अब सबै सामान लिएर आउनु पर्ने. एन्ड लाइक अलिक कम्ती हुँदैन एन्ड अल त्यस्तोहरू हुन्छ प्रब्लम.
Yes, I mean, like, so we kind of agree that Gangtok still has some way to go to respect professionalism, from government departments to private enterprise to even patrons, right? Your experience has been that even the people who would buy tickets and come to these events don't respect that
Because
enough.
they look for a free ticket, to be honest. साथी हो भन्छ हो.
Yeah, completely.
खासमा हेर्दा त इट शुड बी उल्टा नि, मेरो साथी हो,
Support गर्नुपर्छ.
So हामीलाई एज अ इभेन्ट अर्गनाइजर I did organize musical events. So we have to get the artists, we have to give them a performance fees and their airfare and their like hotels and their taxis and everything. So when we do that, we have to invest a lot of money and time to do that, and then sound and everything. So हामीले 1000 रुपियाँ राख्यो भने त्यो टिकटको दाम यो बेसी भयो, इट्स टु मच भन्छ हो. 500 रुपियाँ राख्यो पनि काट्दिँदैन. So it's like so that's why I told you that
Yeah.
I had a very bad experience past 8 years. I was thinking, I was hoping that I will survive out of this event management company, but I could not. I was wrong, and then my parents started complaining about it. You have to do something. यसरी यो एक वर्षमा एउटा इभेन्ट गरेर हुँदैन. And then you have to get into serious business.
Yeah, also
I
how
came up
big
with
is our market?
my business, extra business, and now I have like 2 shops.
Okay.
One is in MG Mark and in Lal Bazaar. So that's how I earn my bread, and side work पनि गर्छु. But initial stage I thought of starting my I have my partner, like co-founder, his name is Beyond Lepcha. We started this banner called Events and Beyond. So we had a very difficult time. He's also struggling still with that. I'm also still struggling with it, but hoping for a better future tomorrow. Things are changing slowly, but by the time it gets there to that level, we'll be old. For the future generation,
that is optimism, right?
Yeah.
So I've just been told that we've overshot our first round, and we've only done one question. So thanks a lot, and by the time we come for the next session, hopefully all these problems will be solved as well.